Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your NOKIA 1.3, at first you have to open notification bar, then activate Bluetooth and open Bluetooth settings. So we have to just simply click and hold this icon. After that we have to open charging case of our AirPods Pro and click to pair new device. When they pops on the list, we have to simply tap on it. When it is not going to happen, we are going to enter them on the pairing mode, but here they are, so just click simply. As you can see, here we get notification that pairing was ejected. So what we have to do, reject it. We have to take off our case like that and then click and hold this icon. So click hold. When this indicator is going to blink on the white color, it means that they are in the pairing mode, and right now we are able to connect them. So click, then accept pair. And as you can see right now they are connected. So that's how you can connect AirPods Pro to your NOKIA 1.3. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!